She remained and will remain forever a jewel and an angel in our lives. Such a beautiful soul. A minister of the gospel, a singer, a mother, a wife, a friend to many. Today, brethren, we are deeply and our hearts are mourning. One of us go together with us. She traveled with me almost in every county as a minister. Betty hakunilipisha kitu chochote. Traveling wakiwa na Shiro kufanya the work of the ministry. And this day we mourn our dear minister, our girl, our friend, and my daughter.
Our